I'm just gonna do a little chit chat. Get ready with me. Can you be quiet? Oh my god, why do the dogs have to be barking now? Right when I start filming. Okay, be quiet now. Okay, so oh, that sounded so like annoying. Okay. Anyways, I'm just gonna get straight into the video. Oh my god, my hair's gonna get in the way. I haven't done one of these videos in ages. I'm gonna tuck it behind my ears because then I'll look funny. Anyway, I'm gonna start with a bit of strobe cream and I'm just gonna use my fingers. So, what's been happening in my life? What's been happening in your life? Tell me. Oh, I like downloaded Mario Kart last night, like on my phone. And I don't know where I was going with that. I think I'm gonna become addicted. Because it's the only game on my phone that I've ever really like wanted and will actually play. Because I'm not a big like gaming person. I can't believe that it's like I have like 5 weeks left before the school year's over. That's crazy. Keep your pretty mouth shut, boy. I can already tell this video is gonna be all over the place. Me just talking about random stuff. I've used this foundation with a sponge before, so I hope it turns. Oh, be quiet. So I hope it turns out good. Oh, I'm also trying to find a job. Also, I've if you live in Australia, you'll know what your L's are, but basically it's just, I think in America they call it your well, it's basically just what you have to get before you can start driving a car when you're first learning how to drive, if that makes any sense. But anyways, I've been working on it for like months now because I keep forgetting, but I also like can't sit down and do it for like a long time. I just get so frustrated. Well, not frustrated, I just don't want to read for that long. Because, yeah, I don't really read books. Reading's not really my strongest area, I guess. But yeah, I've gotten through 2/3 of it, so I've only got like a third before I can actually take the real test. I'm doing the online one, by the way. I feel like most people do nowadays. But anyways, also because I also have diabetes type 1, so I have to get like a medical thing. So I got that from my so I got that the other day too when I went to my appointment, where they just check up and see how I've been going and if I've been controlling my sugar levels well and stuff. I got that Don't Call Me Angel song stuck in my head. I feel like it's not sticking to a patch here. I don't know why. I'm now going to be taking the e.l.f. concealer. This concealer can be a bit drying, but I found the same with the Shape Tape. So you just need to have really well moisturized under eyes. And in my case, I just put a little bit, like as in the tiniest bit of coconut oil under my eyes. And then I put my normal moisturizer on. Just got that in my hair. We love that. Don't call me angel. I've literally run out of powder. So anyways, I'm going to take a little bit of the Coty Airspun powder. Also, I've been watching a lot of vlogs. I've been watching a lot of vlogs recently. So I really want to do more vlogs, but before I do more vlogs, I really want to get a vlogging camera. But but I don't know what camera to get. I've looked at a couple, like the Canon G7X, which a lot of people use, and I think it's the one that I'm gonna go with. But I've also looked at the Sony A4600 or something like that. And yeah, I'm just not quite sure. I don't really set much. I don't know why I did that. I don't really set much. I'm gonna take some of the Body Shop bronzer. What else has been going on in my life? I've learned how to do eyelash extensions because if you don't know, I'm doing a certificate 3 in makeup, and I know how to wax people's eyebrows and do eyelash extensions. So I might start like a little mobile business of that, you know? Because I feel like eyelash extensions are pretty popular at the moment. Oh, I guess I'm really bronzed today, aren't I? I love how it's just starting to get hot. It's like beautiful swimming weather. Also, if I got a vlog camera, it would really help me with the 2 videos that I'm trying to do a week, because I could do like a sit down video and a vlog every week. Because at the moment it's sort of like I'm going in between 1 and 2 each week, so it'll help keep the consistency. But I gotta get a job first so I can afford it, which I am working on. I don't want to say like where I'm applying and stuff, because you know, stalkers. Blush just makes me look nice and burnt, and I love it. Oh, I just feel so summery. Okay, I'm now just going to take some highlights. I'm just using my Stila one. My neck is so itchy. Oh my gosh, I always do this where I forget where I put the highlight on the brush and then have to look. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm not a big like make my eyebrows perfect kind of person. I sort of just fill them in so they have like some sort of shape. Also, I want to keep doing like transformations like the skull just because I enjoy doing them. So yeah, if you have any ideas, please let me know. Some of the bronzer and just putting that all over my eye. What was I saying? Okay, yeah, we've been enjoying going to the park. There's also like a little beach where you can swim too. And it's just been nice to get out of the house after school. And I don't know, I think it's made me a happier person. Just to get like a bit of exercise, because we like ride around on... Oh my god, I choked on air. How do you even do that? Okay. Yeah, because we ride around on like ripsticks and scooters. It's along like a beachfront, so it's really like nice to look at the ocean and have like the breeze and yeah, go for a swim. I'm also putting some of the blush on as well. I think it's also been inspired because I've been watching vlogs where people like do stuff all the time, like go to the beach and stuff, and it just like inspires you to get out and do stuff. Well, that was a lot more than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, I'm also gonna put some of my highlighter on my inner corner. This look would look really pretty with faux freckles, but I already naturally have them, so I don't need to draw them on. I feel like I'm pulling this face a lot in this video and it's not cute. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the eyes. I would usually put mascara on, but I have some eyelash extensions still left. Now on my lips, I usually would just wear... Where'd it go? I usually would just wear like a lip balm, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna line my lips, and this is just Stone by MAC. I love the beach too, like I love swimming in the ocean, just going to the beach and diving under the waves or floating over the top. Just nice, isn't it? A beach day. This makeup just makes me feel so summery, except for the eyes. The eyes are a bit intense. I think I'm gonna tone it down with a bit of concealer around the eyebrow. I feel like summer brings out some of the girliness in me. In the winter, I'm like dark smoky eyes, dark lips, yeah. You know? I don't know why I said it like that. I don't know if I've met anyone that thinks winter's better than summer. Anyways, this is pretty much, let me just fix my hair. This is pretty much the finished look. I don't know what I'm saying now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't, and turn those post notifications on so you don't miss any of my amazing videos. Oh my god, there's something in my eye. Why? Just want to do my outro. And I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye!